Fix My Tractor by Dustin Lynch. This is the first verse. I'm coming out of the intro, so the last note of the intro, you kind of hang on this note here. It's the D string 5th fret. You're hanging there. That's going to be your first note, or we're going to pick it up in the verse, and you're basically going to let that hang until you start singing. Then it's 4 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go down to the 3rd fret on the A string. 2 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on the 3rd fret on the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After those 2 sets of 4, you're going to hammer it from the 1st fret on the E string to the 3rd fret on the E string. You're either going to hammer it, you can slide it, you can pick it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to do another set of 4 sets of 4 with the first note you're sliding or hammering or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go up to the 5th fret on the A string. You're going to do 2 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to hammer on it and do 2 more sets of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to kind of start over again, but instead of starting high, you're going to start on the low octave, the 3rd fret on the E string. 4 sets of 4. Then you're going to go to the 3rd fret on the A string, 2 sets of 4. Back to the 3rd fret E string, 2 sets of 4, and then it's going to, I think that's 2 sets of 4.
She's a wild rose waiting on me at the end of the road, between the water tower and the power lines. Weary power dust, once I get her buckle in my pickup truck, she's 10 pounds of sugar.
Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it does those punches. Does a double punch on the 3rd fret E string, and then it does a single punch and lets it hang. And then, I don't know if you look at this as the end of this section or going into the chorus, but he's going to slide up to an octave from where you're at. So he's going to go up to the 15th fret on the E string. That should cover the verse section.